हाय फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज कुलदीप एंड वेलकम बैक टू दी चैनल नॉलेज विकीपीडिया। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं इंडिया में कौन कौन सी बीबीए के ऑप्शंस हैं जो 12th के स्टूडेंट्स परस्यू कर सकते हैं आफ्टर 12th क्लास। सो आई हैव मेंशन टॉप 10 बी स्कूल्स इन इंडिया for the BBA program. So we will be discussing one by one, and I would suggest you to please subscribe the channel so that you can get the notifications of my upcoming videos. So without delay, let's start the content for the day. Here the topmost option is IIM, this Indian Institute for Management. So this is offering IPM program, and this IPM program of IIM is offered by 5 campuses, that is Indore, Jammu, Rohtak, Bodh Gaya and Ranchi. These are the 5 options which are providing IPM program, that is integrated program in management, and which is a integrated program of BBA and MBA combination, right? So this is a 5 years program. In total IPM there are 590 seats including all these 5 IIMs. Next is Delhi University. In Delhi University the program is offered as BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies. So this is the program, and the topmost college is Sahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, which is the finest and very good college in Southeast Asia. Then Keshav Vidyalaya, Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, Sahid Sukhdev College is having 185 seats, and in total approximately 1200 seats are there for a BMS program in Delhi University, and there are total 9 colleges. Topmost is Sahid Sukhdev College. Next comes the Christ Jamia Millia Islamic University. So this is again situated in Delhi, but only 45 seats are there. So the competition is very tough in this. Christ University is the next, which is providing BBA program in Bangalore campus and NCR campus in Ghaziabad. So these are the 2 campuses of Christ, and Christ University is one of the best university which you can get in. Then IP University in Delhi again, and in Delhi at least 50 colleges are there under this, but the students have to target top 5 colleges, जिसमें जैसे महाराजा सूरजमल, महाराजा अग्रसेन, विप्स and GIMS and Jagan Institute. These are the top 5. Next is Symbiosis University. Symbiosis University again Pune and Noida, 2 campuses are there. Narsee Monjee University, these are having total 6 campuses, जैसे मुंबई, नवी मुंबई, Bangalore, Shirpur, Dhule and Hyderabad. These are the total 6 campuses, out of which Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Bangalore. For this doing BBA program, the student must have maths in 12th class. But for the rest of 3, that is Hyderabad, Dhule and one Indore, non-maths students can apply. Then St. Xavier's College affiliated with Mumbai University is providing again BMS program. And then Bharati Vidyapeeth University, 2 campuses, Pune and Delhi. These are the 2 campuses. Students can apply to both of these universities. So these are the top colleges of BBA options in India. So the students who wants to apply in 2022, the forms of Christ, Symbiosis, Narsee Monjee are already out. They must fill these forms within the time frame, so that they should not skip any of the year. The gap, 1 year gap should not be there. So the students and the admissions in these colleges are on the basis of entrance test, and IIM entrance might be having in May, DU June first week, Jamia again May, Christ Feb, March, April, May. IP University in May again. Symbiosis University already have given dates on 14th May. Narsee Monjee again April to June time slot is given. Saint Xavier not yet out yet. Bharati Vidyapeeth not out yet. But these all examinations are going to be held in the month of May majorly. So the students, those who are in 12th class, they must fill these forms and give entrance examination. And one more updation that most of the people of 12th class, they must be aware that Delhi University has launched CUCET as well. So the options which 12th class a student was supposed to have on merit, now they will be having all the examinations, admissions on an entrance basis. Centralized University Common Entrance Test. So the person who wants to go for economic honors, BCom honors, psychology honors, English honors, maths honors, stat honors, whatever, all the traditional programs, those were on merit till last year. This year they have to give CUSET examination. So please, all the students, they must prepare. They can utilize this 1.5 months before boards, and then after boards they can prepare, but they have to prepare for entrance examination. And might be CUSET will be including your 12th syllabus, minor and major CUSET. So this is all about for today's video regarding BBA options in India. So the students should fill these forms within the time frame, and I would like to suggest you to please subscribe the channel so that these kinds of videos must be available on my YouTube channel for you. Thanks.